Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use Mastodon social media platform. So here you can see people are getting followers. So now you can easily create account. Let me scroll down, click on accept terms and conditions, then scroll down. Here you need to fill this form. After filling the form we need to verify email. So let me go here and scroll down, click on verify email. Then complete this captcha verification. Then scroll down, again select same things, then click on verify, then scroll down, click on continue button. So now you can easily add here anything. For example, let me go and copy one video YouTube link. So let me copy video link and add here. Then click on post, and on profile page here you can see how it looks.